Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are rounding up our 4 most recent SLG purchases from Louis Vuitton in the hunt for the best card case or small leather good SLG. We're taking a look at the Rosalie coin purse, the NOA key holder, the card holder RECTO VERSO, and the ROMY card holder. Now, to remind you of the criteria for our hunt for the best card case or SLG, we are looking for the card holder / coin purse that takes up the least amount of space but offers the most organization. Now, this has been a long-term hunt and we're going to get strategic about it. So we've unboxed each of these 4 items independently on the Fashion Try-On. So if you want to see a closer look, a full try-on, meaning packing the item itself and then packing it in our most recent purchase, the 2024 Summer BB bag, then be sure to check out one of those. Now, of course, each of these card holder / coin purses has their own merit, so it's really up to you and what you are looking for. Now, first up, taking a look at the NOA card holder. This pouch is very similar to the standard clay or key pouch. The 2 key differences are that you have 1 internal card slot and that the NOA doesn't actually fully seal. Next up, we have the ROMY card holder. This is also very similar to the key pouch, but it does open as a clamshell and it does have card slots on the outside. Third, we have the card holder RECTO VERSO. This is a larger format pouch, but it actually holds a lot less. It has a snap pouch on the outside and card slots on the back. Last but not least, we have the Rosalie card holder. This one has the most accessible organization of the bunch. You have 3 separate compartments and 2 internal card slots, and what's more is that one of those compartments actually is zipped off. So overall, those are the key differences. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the general profile of all of the SLGs. When holding these 4 up next to each other, you can notice that they're not too different in profile, but you can see that they are quite different in volume. Overall, the RECTO VERSO is the biggest profile. It's very long, however, it is very thin, so my instinct is that it won't hold as much as the rest. The next thinnest I do think is the NOA card holder, mainly because of the clam opening, as well as the really sharp edges. Now, when we've unboxed each of these individually, I showed you how we packed up this 2024 Summer BB, but today, because we are comparing the 4, we're just going to put them all inside so you can see how they fit together, as well as which one side by side takes up the most space. This is also going to be a great proxy for what can you really fit in this Summer BB as well. And I do know that a lot of people use multiple coin pouches or SLGs in their purse, so hopefully this gives you another diverse look at the versatility of this bag. Let me know your thoughts on these 4 SLGs in the comments below. If you made it this far in the video, be sure to drop a emoji in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching and be sure to subscribe.